What's up, guys? Welcome to Rayman Can. So today we have the Bilt TB230C. Here's the box it comes in. We're going to go ahead and take it out of the box, set it up, and give it its first start. So first thing we do, open the box up. We have the bag and the frame that the bag goes on. We have a bag of accessories. Inside of this bag is a side chute, some motor oil, and the instructions. And the last thing inside the box is the lawnmower itself. It's pretty much assembled, but it does have to be unfolded and kind of, adjusted and have some bars screwed in the correct position. So the first thing I did was unscrew these T-bolts out the handlebars and the T-bolts in the lawnmower itself to fold the handlebars back and pull the handlebars out. They extend out a lot longer than how they come. Be careful not to extend the handlebars too far out, otherwise they'll come all the way out. If that happens, not a big deal. You can just put them right back, but just keep in mind there's like 2 points of adjustment to how far out you want the handlebars to go. I'm going to choose the longest position. So now that we reinstalled our T-bolts for the extension part of the handlebars, we're going to do the same thing for the part of the handlebars that folds. From here, we're going to take the bubble wrap off of the bell arm. Then after that, we're going to add oil to the lawnmower before we start it. In fact, the entire bottle of oil that it came with, we're going to add the entire thing, and that actually filled it up to the correct level. But make sure you check your dipstick to see where it's at when you get it from the factory. All right, now we're getting there. Next thing we did was fuel it up. From there, we put the cap back on. When you hear the clicks, you know it's on there securely. And we are almost at the end. We're going to loosen up this piece right here so we can put our pull string in place. I'm going to pull it very slowly because I don't want to start it right now. I just want to put the pull string in place. So I'm going to just pull it out, stick it in between here, and then tighten up this T-bolt. If you're going to use a side chute, it goes in under here. The bag itself goes into this frame. Well, I should say the frame goes into the bag and the bag goes around the frame, and you have to snap it in place with those little end plastic pieces. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we all struggle with this part just a little bit. But yeah, once it's done, it should look something like this. And to install it, it goes on the back of the lawnmower. Just simply lift this piece up right here and just hook it right onto the back, and that piece rests right on top of it. If for some reason you start the lawnmower up and you have the bag on and it's spitting grass at you from the top, just kind of push this door snugly down, and that should fix that problem, by the way. And there you go. The lawnmower is completely set up, and it's a nice looking lawnmower. And yeah, let's do our first start and see how it sounds. Thanks for watching.
Give it a pull.